see.
From the visa the Manchester United vim now we
Vim.
Aye. The other case say mo be share.
Chelsea game no.
Do you want to be share? No Chelsea. All champions.
All champions.
Okay.
This is also world champion. And I want to be team at Chelsea as well. And simple.
Which
one of my friends inspiration free. That Chelsea game.
Okay. And then you put in baby by you are.
Sure.
Aye. Now. Who say about Friday after the international break and then weekend the available games now. I want us to look at clubs, no player ben and no one can animal. Which and I don't pay managers need to be on pre-match press conference. There is something really interesting, and I want to indulge you. Barca will be 6 or 5 players out. Chelsea are getting close to that number. Players on way out. Who say in Kofubi say a club World Cup no any the extra fixture congestions that players in here and it's accumulated fatigue, you know. Anything ama players no play pressure. But Barca did not play the club World Cup. Teams like Chelsea played in the club World Cup. Arsenal did not play the club World Cup. Arsenal injury list because this season almost squad depth in 17. We've not even seen it. Kai Havertz is out. Noni Madueke is out. On 2 center backs and on back where Platner I think it was William Saliba also. Christian Mosquera boy. In their fullback area, Calafiori has been out this season. It is I say the injuries are a little bit too much. Which and Enzo Maresca Tinase. Now me who say Chelsea air international break no their Maresca moye anything. Maybe they would have gotten good radars when it comes to injuries. Who say one man was cancelled on international break. Enzo Fernandez if international break bantem to come and prepare for the games. Cole Palmer did not go. Rhys James pulled out of it. So that probably should have been the positive side. Which Maresca Bana or say Cole Palmer be out for another 6 weeks.
That is 1 month in actually.
Yeah, that is 1 month and 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Bad news for Chelsea. But is it not good news for Estevao William? We saw tactical board.
Also, an opportunity.
Yeah, because we've spoken about the fact say Ushe Chelsea team now. Number 10 on the band and then the buy yes on back up to Kopama out and out. Facundo Bonanote. But on our right hand side, I don't know if you're betting about right or betting about 10. No. Estevao Willian has shown that he can play. And Sabekaya, just in that week against Liverpool, Estevao was able to play in that game and score the winning goal. And Okokoboma Brazil, our week now, could see 2 goals against South Korea. So, for some people, yes, Kopama is out and it's a big blow. But Enzo Maresca money it looks as if there's an opportunity for our branch friend Estevao Willian in Enzo Maresca's new 4-3-3. Whether it is coming off the right or staying central. Now, Adia Bakukra Warren and he say, and you Kopama Nkwa. Utie BBC phone say Enzo Maresca say I was wrong. Unfortunately, he needs to be out for 6 more weeks. So after the international break, Obeka say, oh, Kopama is going to be fine after international break, remember, and everything is going to go on well for him. Which only say Abantia your friend Pedro Neto, and so out of the team. Maresca conference no about Pedro. It's not going say Joao Pedro, and yet Joao Pedro, Pedro Neto. Pedro Neto see out. It is our Chelsea right hand side. I don't know. It's a big opportunity for Estevao. Which in all of those pre-match press conference, any injuries in Semno. Why wouldn't you answer them? Just when Benoit Abba, even those who are doubted him his qualities, I've been saying, okay, there be autumn. We can maybe something will come out of Benoit. Rich, you see Benoit is out until December. and Benoit out until December. It means that the Champions League matches, even Copa Macanshia, Barca match, all of those big games that are going to come, he's not going to be there. And Benoit is very unfortunate. Mekacho say, Mempire and Kame bonus and Benoit Binya be 3 months, 4 months.
So Kofi, I feel the one you're discussing them maybe now you have your this same platform. Now make us say yes, yeah. Or clubs in yes car, or make you a players in the Kai. But say I hear you players nominate the main actors of the game. No? A bedroom may be young with Gina Park. They say they rate out to our players.
Yeah.
Because competition is a dorsal. Bowie, no Bowie, no Bowie, and a bassa, fatigue, any other. And then Barcelona, for instance.
Yeah.
International breaking about 6 players.
Yeah, in a prayer.
And pray. Is there a chance I'm some back for a grad yet?
But Tosin
is back.
Tosin
Okay.
What's the for us an air concussion?
Also back.
Chaloba on a red card. Honestly, back.
We go players, you know.
Yeah.
Workload near too much. Share Obiti say Pedri.
Yeah.
Pedri to pry pie bed is a Barca Bogima. Barca be bench.
Yeah.
And every competition be a Barcelona be Bubian, so Pedri available, you play.
Yeah.
Spanish national team. If the Pedri is available, so we play.
Yeah.
It's workload no too much on the players. The Kakrabia no bra, Kakrabia no bra. Confis can yo, but when we protective players like Kakra.
It's
we in the Pomania machines. You know, BIA day. Say, baby, football na econo.
Yeah.
We need money.
Yeah.
Go players so almost kind of general. So you need these competitions to cushion money. But you almost out.
AI too much.
It's too much.
Coincidentally, I usually receive daily football articles from Original Football, almost sending me mails on it. Now, the email I received from them, this title, me catch you. FIFA's line in sand. Say you draw line, to say a bit me preparing baby. Can football sell the world without selling its soul? Talking about Sikasem, because I don't know how courage. The soul of the football is the players. Yes. Bono, you bet me at Tom, not sell the soul now. It's rich. The players don't get it. The club.
Because sponsors no more on board now.
Yes.
Hey, players no.
On the story. And I know Gary.
Oh, president, the board will be.
Yeah, Gary Bekacho was a Champions League this year next season. You be born on the first day. You be opening ceremony. Winner no defending champion on the first game on the first Tuesday. You for the next season. Adding ya also sponsors be bring for better rights for that game alone. Which the arguments about morality, fan culture, health of players valid. I can't ever make an argument better to dispute that. But at the end of the day, it comes down to the money. And which that's what rules the world. And when they ruling yes.
So there should be a solution. Now that
to find the balance.
To find the balance.
Yeah.
Now that competition, air doors on the DNS,
to more players.
Yeah,
to more players.
Because players in the world, I mean, I'm small.
Yeah.
I said,
yeah.
Right. Week in, week out, so we are available to play.
And your Mares can catch a kudo for national team coach and say, Osredo, Oma Kaisa do rest here. And go two friendly matches in America also, in North America, come back to Europe and play. Or 11:30 at Chelsea.
That long distance of cover.
Yes.
I call the Chrome.
Yeah.
No man said 2 from the Chrome, baby, I'm going to go for any game. No, as I come back to the Chrome, as I fly back to UK. Or
11:30.
Players in break too much.
They are married almost self.
Players
almost self. Me mean to Lamborghini. One thing you my brother mean to Lamborghini that. One thing I'll never be able to buy a house in Maldives. The likely percentage our form, but Rich James can afford a holiday that I will not be able to afford. If you can afford a holiday, abono. leg bosom train. No my back.
And there's all going to
So
and then I'm honing I'm Fifi years what then dream.
But they afford a life of luxury. I'm not saying it's a cool, but something has to give in life. Something has to give in life. Exactly. So, the positive is that Enzo Maresca regimes fit, is ready to play. Romeo Lavia so good enough ready to play. And now things about Romeo Lavia and Ghana Black Stars.
Yeah, me
Romeo Lavia.
Because I know the amount for Danka.
That's almost already a top player. Romeo the more rimbo. It's an opportunity for Esteban Willian to take advantage of on Yami Admo. We'll talk about the game in itself. But City also in the conversation around Omar Mamouche, who before the international break had an issue. Gianluigi Donnarumma and Matteo Kovacic are back, of course. I bet your friend right end no you see a back from EG for team my friend City. And a slot and a pre-match press conference. Who's this week now Oshe Alexander Ishaka, he's getting close to fitness. Rich, do you think that after the 3 losses in a bounce for Liverpool, the way almost star player Alexander Ishaka European World Cup qualifiers ANFA Sweden League good them they are not in qualifying places right now, and everything around Liverpool would they have been able to sort everything out to play Manchester United and get a win realistically away from you being a United fan?
Oh, so me realistic there. Yeah. I mean on paper Liverpool. I mean almost stretching United. But
baby there's an opportunity for United. And match in chaos, I can say, moving and tactics na 50 chaotic games.
Oui.
But what is Sunderland now?
I mean Sunderland.
Or Chelsea.
I'm not Mumunyadi.
Liverpool is here.
Sargate is a boy and I say FIFA G. Some bad in the mind.
Mati, Ode Mati.
Mumushe PG Champions League. Tiu, Mumushe PG.
And I yet was Mabeshe.
And yeah, Baba Shamo.
Just like the club World Cup.
You na champions.
Yes, I get the Yuma buying for because buying for the Nika share.
They be a champion.
Which and a slot to say Alexander Ishak is extremely close to full fitness. From now on, we are all allowed to judge him fairly.
Me one thing Yakobo begins
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the demi maintain tactics?
Yeah.
Because games be saying I had derby. Players never and the coaches.
Yeah.
Because players no coach na park so no. Obia pese ye be pro game ni e kan ho asem.
Yeah.
Oh, in the Liverpool Manchester United game, Eddie Passman did very well.
Yeah.
And they do as over here. Yeah, na players no and yet tactics
Yeah.
And only at the back, I think about Manchester United. So you feel there, player for player,
quality, Liverpool,
BBA,
and even
Liverpool ahead.
At Anfield, because most any good record.
That's it.
The best, I think, in a very long time has been a draw.
At the back, mindset.
Yeah. Say Moko matching, but baby Liverpool done it.
And yeah,
as any table no. 3 games that were lose now. And they will be doubting themselves. So there is a small opportunity. And as what to say, Onimnienti Amomo criticizing Ruben Amorim. Now, in his opinion, Manchester United have had a better start to the season than the league table suggests. So league table near wrong. Which league table that Manchester United at 10th. And as not say Sanka United double second.
What kind of cray?
And okay.
Ebona. She at Chelsea 4th minute.
Chelsea match in the end
some of them champions. And one at the bear yastic.
Chelsea.
So share a performance in the baby a dano. And then tally. At least in case and cabana top for you.
More.
So yes, started Yami Admo on Sunday.
Yeah.
We will make sure say you bought 2 matches there top for you.
Yeah. Which have you realized that if you compare Mohamed Salah data and any analytics no at this same time last season to this season above form. And if you look at this data on your tactical border, Mo Salah's attacking threat has declined. Premier League comparison last 2 seasons per 90 minutes. Which in 24-25 season, 25-26 season. Last season touches as at this time, no 49.7. This season or 42.2. Last season touches in opponents in the box, no 10.5. This season over 5.6, nearly half. Last season shots as at this time, no about 3.5. This season about 1.7. Chances created 2.4. This season 1.7. Goal involvement 1.3. This season 0.6. Lastly, expected goal involvement 0.92. This season 0.42. Rich, Liverpool main marksman, no, he is struggling with the attacking output, and maybe any Florian Wirtz, maybe any Alexander Isak, maybe it's the structure in which Abrante friend and slots and put all of the top quality big names, no, and will Liverpool now affect you. But it's only a matter of time. I still think say early days yet to point accusing things as Anna slots. Once the season goes on, we'll see. The number one in the league has scored 60% of their goals from set pieces, and we are only 1 point behind. That's not Arsenal for no more. A set piece in Kwa. Part for set piece, the BBN.
Oh, and that's a lot.
Yeah.
Arsenal give 9.
Or say the number one in the league, which is Arsenal, has scored 60%, vast majority of their goals from set pieces, and we are only 1 point behind. Jonathan set pieces.
Now the football no. The Ufu so ya de no na so ye. And the Arsenal feel say hono bet me the nyana points are. What is the problem? Hono bi bo nye bi. No at the point say no the goals na last minute.
Yeah. Right.
And they say among for DB yo. DB yo we do no so bo nye bi.
Right.
On first set pieces.
That is what it looks like. Which this weekend Arsenal airbo another London derby.
Okay.
In Minsusi Munich. Say Arsenal to Michel London derby we are. They will take a huge step. I know it's early days yet to winning the English Premier League. Why do I say so?
Arsenal go Fulham.
Yeah, Fulham, Craven Cottage. Last season, 3 London derbies and even the season proud. Plus the Newcastle game. Okay, after the Newcastle game, I told you that I feel Arsenal are growing because Newcastle were normally say they were constantly dropping in points when they go to Newcastle. For 2 seasons prior to this season, they had lost there. We far win this season. And now West Ham United, yes, I can understand. And then Nuno Espirito now take care of Jumanu fresh into a strong Nuno side. But then West Ham have been hitting Arsenal for 2 seasons now. And then the big one this weekend is going to be against Abrante Alfredo, Marco Silva, Fulham Tino, our team, our friend is a Craven Cottage one. Last season by this time, Arsenal were third with 17 points, with Liverpool 18 points and Man City 17 points. This season by this time, Arsenal was 16 points, Liverpool was 15 points. There is some slight improvement, not based on the point-on-point improvement, but then as comparison with other players now, that is Arsenal Football Club, and they are leaving teams late, which is very, very good power when it comes to this season, which the Ghanaian players are doing well in the English Premier League. It is my humble prayer, say they will keep on improving because the Antoine Semenyo, any the Mohamed Cruz, what 2 days ago or so, what Mohamed Kudus is doing with respect to the goal involvement, the outputs, team, has been a very, very good one. Have you heard the story of Lamine Yamal?
Sure.
Which still, boy, and I say people are jumping the gun.
I think so.
There are strong arguments from people that say that, he's an 18-year-old.
Exaggerations in the doors. Stories around the boy. I'm on for exaggerating or do.
No, I'm focusing too much on a man on your
because question I'm busy say. Lamine Yamal, late no year for training, a 1 day partner or tie. Say 1 day be there,
so the reports probably from Spain is being blown out.
Maybe who say, I don't know, say, Abrante no. Seriously, because someone caught training. Someone could have one good at a point one or elite. Yamana Mugi. And according to the sporting director, Edema Barcelona, Deku. So, this is a star boy. I mean, you probably don't know about the Mababa Barcelona game. Probably a brand in India. See, why am for so dear, but what the man and Cobo? Let's party him. No, Cobo, we are not fine, be grand. I don't see has a faking, so I don't say. fine there because players no go scar.
Yeah.
It is all case of late na on tia fine. Quickly obetua there be obey late no because obenya says can the amount. But I think that ono coach you know any the sporting director any penifo no mo around the team no.
Yeah.
They should find a way to be dealing with branding issues.
To manage him, man.
I'm managing here because branding the story is now one. Too negative.
The latest girl here is 7 years older than him. Or 25. No, Menkaze Kabibi, I'm giving you that information. So if you
32. Is 7 years.
So if you 32. And I first girl in 32. But I 30 something. And we 20 something. 27, 28. They say about 25. So about form.
So
that now only I say 18-year-old be anywhere. Which man your man Lamin person any to push ko dem kakra.
O ska 45 gra nya he.
Lamin 45. Na ne ma.
So betu ha no kwa dia. Problem be any.
Ne ma me dey say.
Ne ma me. And there's any problem. Ini ha ni sika. Me feel say stories now one no too much.
And number one as already I see me rich.
Blown out of proportion.
But I mean at the end of the day Lamin would have to be managed. He's a young player. I also belong to the school of thought. Say it shouldn't be too much when it comes to a friend Lamine Yamal. You see, Rich, baby, I classify you. You want to come for be. Baby, I fire one tianto. Baby, I classify betiato. Everybody, enmity, and will be an story. We shouldn't compare Lamine to a lot of people. Lamine has his own part. People keep on comparing to Messi, money and there. Messi is Messi, Lamine is Lamine. My only hope is that when result on the field of play begin to dwindle. That's where the scrutiny will be higher. See, he's still performing. Which the injuries at Barcelona quickly. Rafinha still has a lot of problems. Barca for one this week and about Girona, and Rafinha is not in. Which an opportunity for Madrid to run away with the league now.
No, it's too early.
Because Lamine will not be 100% fit for the Clásico. After this weekend round of games, no, there is that one. I think Madrid will be going away to go and play against Getafe or so, I'm not too sure. But after this round of games, no, you go here, you talk about El Gran Clásico, no. And Rafinha, who is Madrid's Barcelona's one of their most important players, injured. Plus, the other players near paper are holding their plus. The last time, Robert Lewandowski reached Barca would have to get and recover the players faster. Things will not go on bad for them. I think that, like you said, Mena Sunti, Mamen wrap up our Hasi Rich Medasi. And then Friday.
Sure.
And you're back to club football. And because of that, there is good football. What do you say from this weekend? What will person will share the French League and if they are beating on the regular plays out share. And then there's going to be Paris Saint-Germain playing against Strasbourg. Or French League on and yeah, picky codes kakra. There are going to be games about also Spanish La Liga and German Bundesliga and team codes kakra. Yeah, me person me dema wetie for. Then of course I wrap up for you. Me show my first code no BW19 BW19 3D915E. That is my first one. The second one is a BW 19 3D AFA2. My third one any I am a BW 19 3D C3D6D. And the last one a BW 19 3D CCE5. Rich, these are the codes I'm the mouth. I think it's unya time a bit in the Andy number not to judge than those who are in the diaspora who want to stake some of the codes.
Okay.
No one born with us.
Many nana Besma Kosu Empire and Somra Kwasia Sarah Richard, please ask Fifi for me. If you had the opportunity to advise Joshua Champon considering the controversy between Ghana, Odoi and Nketia, what would be his advice to him? Okay. Sylvester Menzo, Fifi, Romeo Lavia issue is different because we've not yet heard he was called and rejected